All right, bro, let's keep it real for a second. I don't care if you're handsome, tall, shredded, whatever. There are certain mistakes that will kill attraction faster than you can type what you're doing. And the stupid part? Most guys don't even realize they're doing these things. So, today we're fixing that because looking good won't save you if your vibe is off. Let's start. You ever text a girl something simple and then instantly start panicking like, wait, what if she misunderstood what I meant? Let me add 87 extra sentences to make it clear. Bro, relax. This is one of the fastest ways to look insecure. Women pay attention to the feeling behind your words. If you start over-explaining every tiny thing, it looks like you're scared of losing her. And that's not attractive, it's pressure. Say things once. Clean, simple, straight to the point. Example, instead of, hey, sorry I didn't reply. My cousin came over and then my phone died and then I had to help my mom with something and blah, blah, blah. Just say, hey, got caught up with something. What's up? Same message, way better energy. Ah, yes, the classic. You text her back in zero point 0.2 seconds every time like you're on a mission. You cancel your plans for her. You always say yes. Bro, even your own mom doesn't get that level of priority. Here's the truth. Women don't get attracted to men who have unlimited free time because unlimited free time usually means no purpose, no momentum, no life. Have your own routine, do your own things, reply when you're actually free. Example, she texts, what you doing? Don't instantly respond like you're waiting for salvation. If you're busy, reply when you're done. Just finished with something? What's up? Normal, mature, attractive. Listen, women love compliments, but not when you drop them like confetti every 12 minutes. If you constantly tell her, you're so cute, you're so pretty. Oh my, God, I love your eyes. I can't believe you're talking to me. She won't think you're sweet. She'll think you're obsessed. Over-complimenting makes it look like you see her as a goddess and yourself as lucky she even looked at you. Slow down. One meaningful compliment better than 10 thirsty ones. Example, instead of you're so pretty, say, you have a fun vibe. I like that. Confidence hits different. Some guys think they need to flex every achievement they have, as if women are keeping score on a clipboard. Bro, chill. When you try too hard to impress, you accidentally give off, I need validation, and nothing kills attraction faster. Be real. Talk about things you actually like, not things you think sound cool. Example, instead of, I'm really busy with my businesses and investments right now, say, I'm trying to learn to cook without burning everything. It's going okay. Kind of. Real music is attractive. Vulnerability better than ego flex. This is when you start asking, are you mad at me? Did I do something wrong? Do you still like me? Every time her vibe changes. Bro, she's having a normal day. She doesn't need to babysit your emotions. Women lose attraction fast when they feel emotionally responsible for you. Handle your emotions alone first, then talk to her when you're calm. Example, instead of, why are you dry today? Say, you seem busy today. All good. That's mature masculine energy. Tell me if this is you. You're funny, loud, goofy with your friends, but the second she enters the chat, you turn into a shy, silent NPC. Women can sense when you switch your personality just for them. They don't trust it. It feels fake. Be the same guy, the same tone, the same personality, just slightly more respectful and controlled. You don't have to perform. Just show your actual vibe because that's what she'll fall for long term. This one destroys attraction instantly. If you let her cancel last minute, disrespect you, take hours to reply, breadcrumb you, ignore your time, and you still say, it's okay, no worries, it's fine, you're done. Not because she's evil, but because she now sees you as a guy she can walk over. Women can only be attracted to a man they respect. Set calm, simple boundaries. Example, she cancels last minute. Instead of no prob, Say all good, just let me know earlier next time. Respectful, solid, confident. All right, man. Now you know the mistakes that turn music women off. But fixing mistakes is only step one. If you really want her to feel that pull, that obsession, that I want him kind of energy, you need to build the habits that make women addicted to you. Don't guess it. Watch it.